వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సాయి బండారు సిస్టర్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇంకా మా ఛానల్ని ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే షేర్ కూడా చేయండి. ఓకే, సో ఈరోజు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నానంటే కోరిలేషన్ కోఎఫిషియంట్. ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, సి calculate the correlation coefficient for the following heights of father and son. X values, okay, 18, 15, 10, 5, 13, 25. Y values 17, 24, 20, 7, 20, 14. Okay, now so this is the problem. Okay, now we have to find out correlation coefficient for this problem. Okay, now we will find out. Okay, okay, solution. So see, now to calculate the correlation coefficient for the given data. We have to use the following following formula. Okay, see, in the previous video we have discussed the formula. What is that? What is the formula for correlation coefficient? R equals to covariance of x comma y by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. Okay, so what is this value? 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi yi minus x bar y bar by 1 by n square root of summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square, again square root of summation I equals to 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square. Okay, so in the previous video we have derived this one, isn't it? Okay, now we can write this formula in another way also. So now let us see. 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi yi minus x bar y bar by square root of 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi square minus x bar square, square root of 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n yi square minus y bar square. Okay, so we have to use this formula in order to find out what correlation coefficient. Okay, yeah, you can also use this formula or else this one. Okay, any formula you can use. Okay, yeah, now we have to find out n value, small n value. Next, summation xi yi. Next, summation xi square. Next, summation yi square. Next, x bar y bar x bar square y bar square. These are the values we have to find out in order to substitute in this formula. Okay, now? Okay, so for this we have to draw the table. X values y values. Okay, first I am writing x values. 18, 15, 10, 5, 13, 25. Now y values. 17, 24, 20, 7, 20, 14. Now next term we have to add in the table is x, y. Okay, now x, y in the sense what? We have to multiple the x to the corresponding y values. Okay, now so after that what we have to add is x square, y square. Okay, so now, okay, now 18 into 17 how much? 306. Okay, 15 into 24 how much? 360. Now I have calculated all xy values. Okay, now next term is, what is the next term? See, x square is the next term. X square in the sense what we have to do is, x term is there, no? That one we have to square. Why? Because here x square is there, no? So we have to square the x values. Okay, here what is there? 18. Okay, na? So 18 such 324. 15 is 225. 10 is 100. 5 is 25. 13 is 169. So 25 is 625. Okay. So now y square values we have to find out. So y square values in the sense what? We have to square these y values. Okay, na? So y square in the sense what? Y square in the sense we have to square the y terms, y values. Okay, na? So 17 square how much? 289. So like that only we have to square all the y values. Okay, okay. See, I have calculated all the y terms. Okay, so now the next step is we have to find out the summation values. Summation xi. Summation in the sense what? Summation x in the sense what? We have to add all the x terms. Next, summation y. Next, summation xy. Summation xy. Next, summation x square. Next, summation y square. Okay, na? So now we have to find out all these values. Summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square, summation y square. We have to find out. Okay? I have find out all these values. Okay? So see, after finding these values, now we have to find out what? X bar, y bar also we have to find out. So x bar, y bar, how we find out? We have formula. X bar equals to how much? The formula is 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi. Okay, na? That is 1 by n. N in the sense what? We have to count these terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay, na? So n value is how much? N equals to how much? 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 into summation xi in the sense we have find out. How much? 86. Okay, na? So if you calculate 1 by 6 into 86, you will get 14.33 value you will get. 14.33. Okay, and the next we have to find out what? Y bar. So y bar equals to how much formula? 1 by n, same. Summation I equals to 1 to n yi. So summation yi how much? 1 by 6 into summation yi in the sense 102. So exactly I think you will get 17. Okay. Yeah. Now see, from the table from the table. N equals to 6, summation xi yi equals to how much? 15, 11. Next, summation x 86, summation y 102, summation x square 1496, summation y square 1910, x bar 14.33, y bar 17. Okay, now we have to substitute all the values in this formula. Okay, now see, r equals to 1 by n in the sense what? 6 into summation xi yi. How much we got summation xi yi value? We got 1511. Okay, minus x bar. X bar how much we got? 14.33 into y bar how much we got? Exactly 17 I think so. Okay, by square root of 1 by 6 into now square root of 1 by n. 1 by n in the sense what? 1 by 6 into summation xi square. Summation xi square in the sense how much we got? 1468. Okay, minus x bar square is there, no? So x bar value how much we got? 14.33 whole square. Okay, into square root of 1 by 6 into now summation yi square. Summation yi square how much we got? 19, 10 I think so. Okay, minus y bar square. Y bar how much? 17. Okay, 17 square. So on simplification you get the r value. So everybody are having calci I think so. So you can directly calculate this value. Okay na? So r equals to you will get 0.24 you will get. Okay na? On simplification you get r equals to 0.24. Okay na? See here 0.24 indicates what? What it indicates? It's a positive value. Okay na? So conclusion what we can write? The heights of father and son is positively correlated. Okay, so if it is r equals to 1 అని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం పాజిటివ్లీ కోరిలేటెడ్ బదులు ఏం యూస్ చేస్తాం? పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ పాజిటివ్లీ కోరిలేటెడ్ అనే వర్డ్ యూస్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. కానీ మనకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఆర్ వాల్యూ అనేది 1 రాలేదు కదా, సో అందుకనే వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ పాజిటివ్లీ కోరిలేటెడ్ బట్ నాట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్. సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ సమ్ మోర్ సమ్స్, యూ ట్రై బై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Yeah, see one more example, you try by yourself. Okay, so calculate the correlation coefficient for the following heights of father and their son. So x value 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72. Y value 67, 68, 65, 68, 72, 69, 71. Okay, you calculate correlation coefficient for the given sum. Okay, you try it. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching our video. So if you like, don't forget to give one like and also share, but don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.